Welcome to JInbei EF-120 LED Video Light Official Operation Tutorial. EF-120 Series LED Video Light. The illuminance can reach 31800 lux at full power output. Built-in 9 kinds of light effects. Can be used in different scenarios. Before using the light, please take off the cover and install the EF-80/120 reflector. EF-120 series support DC and AC power supply. Take the EF-120Bi as an example. There are 4 buttons on board. Light effect knob. Color temperature / power adjustment knob. Bluetooth switch. Power switch. Switch the power on. The icons are displayed as brightness, color temperature, Bluetooth, power supply mode. Turn the color temperature / power adjustment knob to adjust brightness. If you use EF-120, short press the power adjustment knob. The power will be increased by 25% at a time. If you use EF-120Bi, short press the color temperature / power adjustment knob to set the value of color temperature when the icon flickers. Turn the color temperature / power adjustment knob to set the color temperature. Turn the light effect knob. You can set different light effects. There are 9 kinds of light effects. In FX mode, short press the light effect knob twice to set light effect frequency. Turn the light effect knob to adjust the frequency. Short press the button to turn on the Bluetooth. Long press the button to reset the Bluetooth. When Bluetooth is on, you can use JInbei mobile app to control the light. Open the app. Press the plus button below to search for the light you need. Choose EF-120Bi. Confirm. Now the light can be controlled remotely. When the connection is successful, you can remove the light if you don't want to control it. This is the operation tutorial for EL300 LED light. Thank you for your patient watching.